Nicole, what are you guys doing?
Fighting space baboons. Why? What did you think we were doing? Look out! They're attacking!
Can I play too?
There's not enough room in the spaceship. Sorry. Look out, Lily! Here they come again!
All right, you heard the school bell. Off to class. Whee! Class, I'd like you to meet Nicole Jablowski. She's new in town, and I want you to help her feel welcome.
Hi, Nicole!
Nicole!
Hi, Nicole! Welcome!
Hey!
I guess I was kind of rude to her in the schoolyard. Time to make it up to her. Hi, Nicole. Welcome to... She's making friends with Angela? Oh, poor kid. Hey! Somebody put this weird mirror in my locker.
And they left you a note. I can see right through you. 3 o'clock, the playground. And it's signed the Vampire Hunter.
All right, I think someone is playing a practical joke on me. So I drew up a list of possible suspects.
Angela? But it couldn't have been Angela. She's at cheerleading practice during recess.
Well, whoever it was, I'm not going to let them get to me. I'm just going to go ahead and eat my lunch as if nothing happened. Let's see now. 1 ketchup sandwich, 1 can of Monster soda, 3 goblin finger celery sticks, a clove of garlic. Clove of garlic? Hey, I didn't pack this.
Look, there's a note attached. Vampire stink. See you at 3. Signed, the Vampire Hunter.
I'm more than a match for some amateur vampire hunter. This is the end of Mona the Vampire. See you soon, the Vampire Hunter.
Open your math books to page 63, please.
This vampire hunter is way out of his league. Mirrors, garlic, and a wooden stake don't work on me. Except for the wooden stake, of course. That one works on anyone.
Somebody's coming. Lawrence?
Hi, guys.
Okay, false alarm. But the vampire hunter should be here any second. Oh, hey!
Hi, Nicole. How's it going?
Well, it's past 3.
Looks like the vampire hunter isn't showing up. I bet it was all a practical joke. I am the vampire hunter. I know everything about you and your alter ego. As of today, Mona the vampire is history. Watch out.
She is positively evil. There's no way that vampire hunter is running this vampire out of town.
No way.
No.
Nuh-uh. We're with you, Mona.
Yeah.
You okay? Oh, yeah. This kind of stuff happens to me all the time. Here, let me help you. Gee, thanks. You know, you shouldn't be mad at Mona for ignoring you in the schoolyard this morning. We were just in the middle of our game and Oh, I'm not mad at her for that. Well, I was mad at first, but not anymore. Then why are you after her? Because she's absolutely evil. Well, see you later. Bye. Thanks for helping me with my bike. Hand over that ice cream. It's mine!
Not anymore, it isn't.
Get lost, bully boy! Go pick on someone your own size.
Mind your own business, new girl. Let's get out of here!
Thanks. My pleasure. I needed the practice anyway, just in case that vampire shows up. Nicole, about that vampire thing, you know, maybe if you got to know Mona, you'd like her. No way. Angela told me all about Mona the vampire and her evil ways. See ya. Angela.
Mona, we've got to talk.
It's about Nicole.
Don't worry about me. I'm in training.
Well, we're worried about both of you.
Yeah, we talked to Nicole and she's actually really nice. This is nothing but a big misunderstanding.
You talked to her? After what she said to me? And you think she's nice? I thought you were my friends!
We are.
It's just that
I'm not talking to you guys anymore. Go hang around with your new friend Nicole. And tell her Mona the vampire is coming for her.
Charlie, the only way we're gonna stop this showdown is by proving that Angela set them up. Looks like we're gonna have to go undercover. Come on, Fang.
What do you two want?
We just came by to congratulate you on your brilliant plan.
Yeah, you really fooled Nicole good. She thinks Mona's an evil vampire thanks to you.
What have you got there?
It's a metal detector. It detects hidden items like cameras, cell phones, and... aha! Tape recorders. Nice try.
Boy, you really figured us out. There's no fooling you.
Yeah, there's no way we could possibly trick you like you tricked Nicole into thinking Mona's an evil vampire, right?
Don't you want to hear how my brilliant plan worked?
Not really.
I told Nicole that Mona was an evil vampire, and she believed every word I said. Besides being a clever mastermind, I also happen to be a great actress.
Quick! Mona and Nicole are about to have their showdown in the park. It's the ultimate slime pit duel.
George, wait for me to finish painting my toenails, and I'll be right with you. Look out, coming through. I'm a personal friend of one of the combatants and a personal enemy of the other.
Mona the vampire and I will duel. The loser will end up here in the slime pit, where their power will be sucked right out of them. Forever! Try some combustible garlic!
Back at you with some cherry tomato bombs!
How about an anti-vampire rocket? Some magnetic filing should bring you down to Earth.
Filing's weighing me down. Too heavy.
She's too heavy. Somebody, give me a hand.
I'll help. Huh?
Gotcha!
Ah! Wait! What's going on? Ah! But how?
We had Nicole listen to your taped confession.
But I confiscated your tape and the backup tape.
But you didn't confiscate the backup tape. Good work, Fang.
Let's take the new girl out for monster sodas.
I'd love to, but as long as there are evil vampires around, I've still got work to do. See ya.
See ya. Catch you later. Bye.
Can somebody give me a hand?
Sorry, One Eye, but you won't be eating Greek tonight. Here we go. Ha-ha! Hey! Yahoo! Come on. Daisy. Next time, try picking on someone your own size.
Cut! Mona! Mona, can't you follow the script?
And let Charley be eaten? I don't think so.
Hey! No! Stop it, Mona!
Mona, as Odysseus, the hero of our play, Charley is supposed to defend himself.
Armor too heavy. Can't get up. Hey, someone help me out here.
Mona, we are trying to rehearse a stage version of Homer's The Odyssey. Do you know what The Odyssey was?
Yeah, wasn't that the name of Captain Kirk's ship in...
Do you know who Homer was?
Isn't he that funny father in that cartoon show?
For your information, The Odyssey was a great work of Greek literature, and Homer was the old Greek guy who wrote it 1,000 years ago. Now, I am trying to direct a play here, so let's get one thing straight. You are not a vampire, okay? You are Athena, goddess of wisdom.
She's a goddess,
Angela, be quiet and look pretty.
but I always look pretty.
George, try to get a little more feeling into your beastly roars. Better. And Mona, stay in your cloud. Next scene. Odysseus, our hero, encounters the evil Sirens. Ready, Charley?
He's ready.
Okay, bring out the evil Sirens!
Sounds like those evil sirens, sir. What should we do? Captain?
Can you believe it?
Just look at that.
Now then, class, I'd like to continue our study of Homer's The Odyssey. Today, we'll be focusing on the Sirens, who would trap sailors with their songs. Trap sailors with their songs. Trap sailors with their songs. Trap Well, Mona, if you disagree so strongly, what was the name of Odysseus's wife?
Rhoda?
Sit down, Mona.
Can I turn the page?
Mona, it's getting late. Remember the rule. A vampire's bedtime is 10 o'clock.
But Dad, I'm studying. I have to research this ancient Greek story.
Oh, the Odyssey.
I'm reading up on sirens. I think one of them is trying to steal my best friend.
Oh, that is a predicament. You know, I studied the Odyssey when I was a kid, too. It was one of my favorite books.
Uh-huh.
Well, good luck, sweetie. Mind the sails! Batten down the hatches! Secure the... Can I help you, little girl?
Nah, don't mind me, Mr. Odysseus. I'm just here as an observer. Pretend I'm not even here.
To tell you the truth, I find it kind of hard to concentrate with you staring at me.
Well, if you insist. I want to know how you handle the singing sirens.
Oh, that's easy. All you need is some wax, a blindfold, and some rope.
Wow. Did Odysseus look anything like his picture in the book?
No, actually, he was a lot shorter in real life. But for some strange reason, he did look kind of familiar. The important thing is that he lent me his rope, blindfold, and since he was all out of wax, earmuffs.
Charlie's in the clutches of the evil siren.
We've got to save him. Quick, we have to block his ears or else the siren's music will drive him crazy. Oh, no, you don't.
Hey, let go! Leave me alone! Hey, what's the big idea? Let me go! Untie me!
Shh, it's for your own good. Oops, there's the school bell. See you later, Charlie.
Hey, come back! Hey! I'm counting to 3. 1, 2, 2.5.
Hey, how'd you get loose?
Some 6th grade girls helped me. Thanks a lot.
But we were only trying to save you from the evil siren. Uh-oh.
So that's it. You're jealous of Lucy Lanning's.
Jealous?
Hardly. Can't you guys just be happy for me?
That siren spell is gonna be difficult to break.
Hey, Lucy, wait up! Want to go grab an ice cream?
Sure, Tom. Excuse me, you're stepping on my bag.
Oh, sorry. I didn't...
Coming, Tom?
Next time, watch what you're doing.
Lily, our mission is clear.
We have to keep Charlie away from that evil siren.
Did you slip the hot dog into the bouquet?
Yep.
Oh, sorry, Charlie. Didn't see you there. Just making sure the old locker's good and roomy.
So Odysseus ordered his sailors to tie him tightly to the mast and to keep rowing even if he asked to be set free. He gave them all pieces of wax to block their ears so that they sailed safely by the island, never hearing a sound. And that's how Odysseus protected his sailors from the siren's bewitching song.
Way to go, Mona. You can let go!
Wonderful, kids! The first half was fantastic. Now we open the second half with the big siren scene. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. He's up to something.
If we can get him past the sirens, he'll be okay.
Onwards, men, to my rendezvous with destiny! Alas, the fair maiden.
Nice try, Captain. But that siren's mine!
Never! She's mine!
No, mine! No, mine!
Here goes! lived happily ever after.
I knew we should have just done Romeo and Juliet.